Hi, I'm Jason, sales manager here at Roywood Transits. Today I'll do the sales walk around video for you for the Auto Camper Leisure Van. So for sale here at Roywood Transits, Auto Camper Leisure Van, unusual one this one, or rare, L2H2. So long wheelbase, high roof. It's Ford Transit Custom, limited series. It's the 2 litre 170 Euro 6 for you, so ULEZ compliant, no problem. Mileage wise, just under 44,000 miles, so nice mileage for the age. It's September 21 on a 71 plate. 6-speed manual. It's the larger power output engine as well, so it's the 170 PS for you. Limited series, so all the nice bells and whistles that the Transit Custom gives you. So leisure van conversion, single passenger seat, both seats swivel in the front as we see. Good level of specification on the Transit Custom for you. So again, 6-speed manual, Ford service history, heated seats in the front, air conditioning in the cab, heated windscreen, heated folding mirrors as well. We've got the ice pack that you can see there, so the nice 8-inch touchscreen tablet. Plug your smartphone in. You can use the apps off your phone through the van, so nice feature. So conversion wise, you've got gas hob, so 2 burner gas hob. You've got running cold water in the sink, as you see. We've got underslung tanks for you, so 40 litre fresh, 40 litres waste. Again, rare leisure van with the Vari mount seat. So Vari mount seat on this one. We've got isofix on, which is quite unusual, but also being the Vari mount, nice and easy. You can move the seat forward and back. So camper conversion wise, we've got our control panel here. We've also got the Webasto digital programming heater underneath. So you can control the lights, you can monitor your battery, put your tap on as well, all controlled from the control panel there. We've got upstairs storage, so storage lockers all the way around at the top. Which gives you all year round, excuse me, all year round usage. So again, Vari mount seat. You can pull the seat all the way back here. Give you more space in the front while the bed's down, or again, you can push it right forward to have space at the back. We've got camping gas bottle on board to run the 2 burner hob for you. So twin side loading doors. Inside outside cooking, which is part of the leisure van and auto camper system. You've got a compressor fridge with a freezer box if you need it. We've also got the Fiamma F45 awning. As you see in the images, you can look at the awning all the way out, sunshade, really nice system. If you'd like any more details, or you'd like to book a viewing or a test drive, you're more than welcome. Give me a call in the office, please. 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for your interest. Thanks for watching. Take care.